Good morning. In today's session, we are going to learn about fertilization and implantation. Fertilization, you very well know, is a process where male gamete, that is sperm, fuses with the female gamete, that is ovum, and the zygote is formed. This is very vital step for the sexual reproduction organisms. Now, in human beings, the copulation occurs, as a result of which the semen is released into the vagina of the female. Now, the sperm reach the uterus, and from the uterus they reach the fallopian tube, that is ampullary isthmic junction, where the fertilization has to be taken place. If the ovum is present at this place, then the sperm will fuse with the ovum and the process of fertilization occurs, resulting in the zygote formation. Now, many sperms come in contact with the layer of the ovum, that is zona pellucida, but only one sperm can enter inside, or only one sperm can fuse the ovum. So, here are the events that occur during the fertilization. You can read in the image. The sperm is released, the acrosome releases the enzymes which dissolves the zona pellucida layer, and the nucleus of the sperm is entering. Nucleus of the sperm, you can see only the nucleus part is entering, and this nucleus is going to fuse with the nucleus of the ovum. So, you can see here that the sperm head is entering, and the nuclei of the sperm and nuclei of the ovum are fusing, resulting in the formation of a zygote. This we have learned in the oogenesis also, that the ovum completes its meiotic II division only when the sperm enters and result in the formation of otid or ovum and a polar body too. So, the nucleus of the otid and the nucleus of the sperm are going to fuse in the cytoplasm, and zygote is formed at the ampullary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. Now, this zygote after formation is going to begin the cleavage divisions, that is the mitotic divisions, which are equal and very rapid, and these results in the formation of cells which are called blastomeres, and the zygote starts traveling towards the fallopian tube. You can see here in the figure, the fertilization is occurring in the fallopian tube, and soon the zygote is formed. After the formation of zygote, you can see the cleavage divisions are occurring. The first cleavage division will give 2 cell stage, then 4 cell stage, then 8 cell stage morula. Then after that, the blastocyst or blastula is formed, and this is the stage where the implantation occurs. So, this is how the zygote which was formed will change into the embryonal level, and that embryonal level is the blastocyst. The blastocyst finally get implanted. Now, let us see, or let us learn about the implantation. So, here the implantation is basically the blastocyst when reach the endometrium layer of uterus, and this generally occur on the 6th day after fertilization is over, and this blastocyst will result in the formation of placental connection with the endometrium of the mother or the uterus. So, these are the various stages, that how the zygote which was found in the ampullary isthmic junction reach the uterus, and how this blastocysts get implanted in the uterus. After implantation, the endometrium is going to cover the blastocyst from all the sides. Now, if we look out for the structure of the blastocyst, then blastocyst is having the outer layer. If you look out for the structure of the blastocyst, then blastocyst is outer layer, which is known as trophoblast, and inner cell mass. Now, the trophoblast helps in the formation of the placenta, whereas the inner cell mass will form the embryo proper. Okay, so this is the details about the implantation. Now let us see the placenta formation. Placenta is a very important tissue because it connects the fetal tissue with the mother tissue. The fetal parts involves the chorionic villi which comes out from the trophoblast, and the maternal tissue is the endometrium. They form the interdigited relationship and form a cord-like or a disc-like structure which is called as placenta. Now the main function of placenta are listed here in the chart. You can see protection, nutrition, respiration, excretion, and the placenta also act as an endocrine gland and it releases several hormones. So these are the names of the hormones that are released by your placenta: human chorionic gonadotrophin, estrogen, progesterone, human chorionic somatomorphin. So these are the names of the hormones. So generally the question comes that placenta, how is placenta formed, what is the placenta function, how the placenta behaves as an endocrine gland. So this is the topic that we have done today, that is the fertilization, implantation, and the placenta formation. Thank you.